Alright traders, greetings, so good day. So today is 28th of April 2020. We are now live day trading for E Mini S&P futures market of S&P 500 June contract 2020. In this video I will show you how I do day trading for US session. So at this moment we did receive one long position at 28.72.75 and we targeted TP at 28.81. So based of this 2881 is the view outline. So let's take a look on this chart. So you can see the view outline is the one in the yellow color over here. So this is my stop limit order. It will be filled any moment from now. Okay, while waiting, and let's take a look for some analysis. Alright, so okay. Alright, so let's take a look on the analysis. So we have one buy call for the E Mini S&P and one buy call for NQ, which is much more earlier. So there is no buy call for this Russell 2000 at this moment. Everything's in the short sell position for this order. So we have in the market for this entry. Alright, we already in. So let's take a look. Okay, starting with the minus, typical. So let's wait. Hopefully everything will go smoothly. If the price try to reverse back, then they will be hit the stop loss. If on the higher side we reach at this view outline, so hopefully everything will go smoothly in the fast way. So let's queue our exit, which is at based from live telegram channel, which is at 2881. So let's go back. 2881 is the target for TP. Alright, so we have include our profit target area. So for the stop loss will be at 28.61. From the current situation, we're still in the minus 5 or minus 50 US dollar for normal mini S&P futures account. So let's go to take a look on the chart. So you can see there's a major sell off during the beginning of US session and also New York time. Time now is 11:33 AM in the morning for New York time, and my local time is PM, 12 hours ahead. So this is a day trading strategy for US session. So this is the first signal appeared during US session after 10. Now price keep climbing up, looks good for us, and you can see that we took this signal. This is from my own self custom indicator, which will provide us the entry as well, the signal or the alarm to notify me that there is an entry for today. So this is what I will be, that we were in the market with this setup, with this signal. So now we are waiting for it to go to this price level of 2881. So this will be a quick one, hopefully. So the target is over here. So let's go back to the platform to see whether we are in the alright. So I mean this just now, the yellow color refer to this profit target area, and this arrow refer to the direction we are taking at this moment. So looks good, looks good. So we are on the positive side, not much, about 100 US dollar if for the normal standard mini account. Okay, let's wait and hope everything will go smoothly. We are on the positive territory at this moment. There will be another entry shortly. So I need to send out some signal to my subscribers. Okay, order fill. So far we have a good decent return. We have a continuous profit since last week, I believe. Okay, all profit except this one, a bit minus, then profit, and also profit, and so on. So you can get this live telegram signal link in description below, so feel free to click on it. There's a free trial for it. So the trading will be something like this. I will provide you with the TP, the stop loss, and also the entry point, and it's up to you to enter according me, or to exit according me, or to exit at your own analysis, but it depends. But for me, try to exit as much as possible whenever you have the good profit on hand. So today I have a good finished already with 139 US dollar in profit. So now adding up this position, those entry is from this Asia, or I think London session just now, earlier this day, but this video will be more about the US session strategy. So still waiting. So you can see from the chart. So I will use my trading view chart, which is much more easier. So we can see there's a steep price movement to short sell the market, and now could be the reversal or a pullback. So we will take this one. Hopefully everything's will go smooth and fast. Alright, so we are positive 4 points if I'm not mistaken, and the price keep climbing up, so which is good for our position. So this is how it looks like. Suppose everything will end positively. Let's hope how the price will be. Okay, I will pause for a while, and when the price make a big move, then we will resume later on. Alright traders, we did hit the stop, and it was a loss just now. This purple triangle over here was very unfortunate today. There's not much can do, so let's wait. Hopefully there will be another signal to enter the market, or maybe another reverse signal for the short sell perhaps. So far we will wait for the next one. Alright traders, we have a second signal, so we're already in the market. So based from this live telegram channel, so we did receive one buy stop at 28.68, and we have entered the market, and this one on the positive side still looks good for our position. Now we have a few US dollar in profit, and let's wait. I hope everything will do fine for us here. So the target is somewhere on the higher side, which is set here 79 or 80. So while waiting, and let's wait. Hopefully everything will be fine. Alright traders, we resume back again. So it seems very nice, and we almost hit our VWAP line. Alright, so we'll exit any moment from now. I will sell 2 first. Alright, and as you can see here, looks okay. I think now we are waiting the remaining of 6 position to exit the market. So this is based from my entry over here, which is at 26.68, and based from my live telegram channel, which mentioned that we have to go long 28.68 and exit at TP 28.79, which is around 9 points or 36 ticks. So it was a good one. So if you are trading a normal standard mini account, so you will earn around 450 US dollar in profit. So it was a quick one. So now the market still on the positive side, waiting for another penetration to the higher side. So I have to wait patiently. So the account is balance, looks balanced for now. Okay, so the target is over here, still the same target as the beginning. So the first entry was a loss, as you can see. Just now we made the losses over here. Enter at this. Let me use a larger time frame. Alright, this looks better. Okay, so we did enter here, over here the can, and then exit at losses, this purple triangle. So now we re-enter again over here at 28.68. Now the price moved in our favor for a quick profit. So now I'm in a good position to gain more profit. So now it's 96 US dollar. So it's a good to exit actually. Okay, now we are waiting. I think above VWAP is the best price to exit, or maybe if the price try to reverse back, I will not hold any longer. I will cut my position and make sure I'm profit for today. So it looks good. 80 US dollar in overall for this S&P. For Russell 1000 already earn 100 and plus. So every day around 200 to 400 day trade salary for me. So that's the target. I should exit just right before this. The target from our Telegram channel, which is at 28.79. So price now is 28.76. The highest is, so let's take a look. The highest is 28.78. So 1 more points. It's no big deal. If the price tries to reverse back to 75, then I will exit immediately. So here 28.79, there's a large number waiting over here as well, and there's 79.50, 212 as well. So looks good. So time now is 1:48 p.m. New York time. There's a drop in price. Okay, we'll pause for a while. It looks pretty much encouraging at this moment to hit the target. Alright, another red candle. I need to prefer to go flat in case. Alright, looks good. 88. So we are expected for more actually. Any price jump will trigger my immediate exit for both sides. Alright, traders, resume back again. So price did getting high and high. So we'll exit some position just to secure some profit. Alright. Okay, looks good. To the remaining, we'll keep working towards the higher side. So actually, we already hit the TP target, if I'm not mistaken. Not yet. Another 0.5, 28.78. So the Telegram channel provides 28.79, and no, let's wait. So price will remain on the higher side, I believe. So there's high chance the market will go bullish for now and onwards. So let's wait patiently. This will be an interesting trade. So we are about to cross the VWAP line, and that's what we're seeing at this moment. So you can see that the market will change the direction perhaps for the rest of the day. I mean for US session. Alright, let's resume back again. So at this moment looks good. We are above VWAP area. So overall profit now is 137 US dollar. So let's just exit. We hit the profit target based from my Telegram channel as well. You can see that the target is 79. So we already hit 79. So this means 9 points secure and 36 ticks. Alright, it was a good one, good profit for today. So we end up positive for today with a recovery and with the extended position size. So let's take a look on the platform as well on my purchase and sell for today. So we end up with a 240 US dollars in total profit. So for the current situation, we have to believe that the market will go for another bullish position, because we did receive last signal for buy from the larger time frame, which is over here, you can see, and the price already hit the buy stop limit order, and perhaps I might go for the high. So the remaining of the day might be the bullish, maybe until 29.00, but for me, I'm done today. I have profit, and the profit is good enough for me as a day trader, a day salary. So there's a lot of there's a lot of link in the description below. Please click the link, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, comment below. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.